Good day everyone, I'm Madeline Vergara, RFY Group. I'm here to discuss about Expander GLS Automatic 23-year model. So Expander GLS Automatic has a sound insulated windshield with dynamic shield design front fascia and LED headlamps, fog lamps, and positioning lamp. So in the side of Expander GLS Automatic, meron na siyang chrome side mirror. Integrated na rin siya ng turning signal light. And sa gulong naman ni Expander, meron siyang 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels. And meron din siyang door handle chrome with KOS, Keyless Operation System. Para ma-activate si KOS, 70 cm ang kanyang minimum. Then, punta tayo sa loob para makita natin kung anong meron sa loob ni Expander GLS Automatic. So, Expander GLS Automatic has power window center door lock, side mirror button, traction control, and meron din siyang tilt and telescopic adjustment. And sa steering wheels naman niya, meron siyang audio control, cruise control, and sa monitor naman with SDA, smartphone link display. And naka push button na rin siya. Aircon windows, located din dito si hazard button with aircon digital type. And meron din tayong USB port and 12-volt socket. Ayan. Then meron din tayong compartment dito. And automatic transmission with 4-speed. And naka-equip din siya ng electronic parking brake with brake auto hold. And meron din dito sa side na to na overdrive button. Meron din siyang 2 bottle holders sa armrest. Meron din siyang tissue holder and compartment dito, guys. So, let's go here for second row. Nandito yung aircon ni second and third row. Then, meron din tayong charging socket dito. Then, for seat, meron din siya, pwede siyang i-adjust. Ayan. Pati din dito sa kabila. So, dito naman tayo sa fuel. Fuel tank capacity niya is 45 liters. Then, meron din siya dito unleaded fuel only. So, punta naman tayo ng third row or dito sa back seat. So, punta naman tayo dito sa likod ni Expander GLS Automatic. Naka-fin type antenna na siya with built-in spoiler brake light. Integrated na rin siya with T-shape rear LED headlamps. And meron din siyang reflector with rear bumper garnish. And meron din siyang reverse camera. So, punta naman tayo sa likod ng Expander GLS Automatic. Meron na siyang compartment dito for basic tools and jack. And of course, meron din siyang luggage dito. Ayan. Then, nandito rin si spare tire. Counterclockwise lang para ma-adjust sa baba ko. And, ang capacity niya for full flat is 1,630 liters. Then, meron siyang sariling socket. And of course, seat belt. That's it for walk around Expander GLS Automatic. Again, this is Maddie Vergara ng RFY Group, Mitsubishi S7 Santos, Manila.
Word we can't take back, 'cause with all the